Are you following the campaign lately?
Not intensely, no.
Mija fl-Amerika.
More or less, insomma, mhux ħafna.
I don't care the situation of the United States. I am worried for Italian situation.
No, but I think it's Hillary Clinton is not good candidate and Trump not good candidate. I don't want following this election, but I think it's not good. It's horrible. I think so.
What do you think of the campaign?
I think it's not a good campaign because the candidate is not good for the United States and also for the world.
Qegħdin issegbu għandhom?
Iva.
U x'taħsbu mill-kampanja in ġenerali bħalissa?
Bis-soltu jażlu l-aħjar milli jkollhom. Darba sajna ħolar wieħed.
Le, għad għandi idea.
Segwija l-kampanja.
U x'taħseb minna s'issa?
Jiena naħseb minn dak li qed jidher il-chances are illi terbaħ Clinton, però insomma close ħafna ser ikunu, qed tifhem.